Hello kids, today I am draw a watermelon. Let's start and draw them together. Green color. Brown color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog,
Yellow color.
with a here and a there, there.
Dark green color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio Jungle.